India International Junior Series, which typically singles, doubles, and mixed doubles. About 225 from 8 countries. There's Indonesia, there's US, UAE, India, of course. We have Malaysia, we have Thailand. I'm not sure of Malaysia, I'll have to check.
Part
Group
of your
CSR code.
CSR activity, how do you really encourage people from all strata of society to kind of get trained in this particular event?
So,
Badminton
Kotak-
or any sports for that matter?
Sure. Kotak CSR has a long-term commitment on intervening in sporting infrastructure and creating pathways for athletes to get to their best levels. Kotak CSR typically engages with the academy and through CSR and structured program, giving athletes the right amount, coaching infrastructure, giving them the right infrastructure to play on, plus giving them enough competition exposure, brings about the right pathways for athletes to bring on the best in them.
But how does it help really the young players to use this academy infrastructure? Do you think that it's fully capable of meeting international standards?
Absolutely, we've seen a lot of medals coming through. While outcome is not the medals, outcome is the athlete development, as you see. So this academy is helped in a great way. Now, case in point, this series by itself is a BWF pointing series. So if a athlete plays in this, wins in this, their world ranking increases. So that's how we create pathways and the ecosystem.
CSR normally is into education, health, and other activities, including sports. How does this fit into your pipeline of the various activities? And do you plan to also extend this to other sporting activities as well?
Sure. So Kotak CSR typically works for education, healthcare, sports being an important pillar as well. We truly believe sports brings out the best in an athlete, which typically rubs it off on a better community development. So sports being one of our important pillars and this program being our one of the focus programs, we are looking at creating pathways for better athlete development who will bring on laurels to the country.
But ma'am, would this be an inclusive thing? How do you, include other people from the tier cities and economically background affected? So how do you really, ensure that those kids are also inclusive?
So this coaching facility is not just for the elite, it is for the talent. Talent could come from anywhere. Our academy also progresses to 3 feeder academies in Mizoram, in Bhilwara, Rajasthan, and in Mysore, where we catch even younger talent to figure out pathways to come to the elite center of Hyderabad. So it typically entails all strata of society, and anybody who has the talent but not the ecosystem is most welcome, and that's what the whole program is all about.